Sean got a new hood. There's like a pool there now. More importantly, Arjun got his car wrapped, and this purple looks amazing. Now we're heading up to the top. There's a cool spot where you can shoot rollers, just because it's like a open parking lot for the winter overflow when they have skiing up here. But in the summer, it's pretty empty usually, so it's a good spot to film some rollers. So yeah, we're gonna have some fun.
You know bulldogs.
I know that face.
I'm so not smart.
You're so smart.
Move back for a second. I want to go back. You gotta stay hydrated. You got a shot?
This one's pretty nice.
I don't know if you can see it.
Hey Kyle, you got the shot?
I got a shot? Probably. This is too much.
Nerds.
Tired laying on the ground?
Look, you're actually like foreground.
Yeah, I know.
I'm gonna park my car sideways for a second.
Alright.
That's a great photo, actually.
Almost. This one's sick, right? Because it's like very blue, but it also shifts to purple, which I like.
Finally show up! Finally show up!
You made it!
Now we got another. Now we got another one though.
You figured it out?
I figured it out.
So what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
AX Films. Sponsor me. Marcus Model 3, sponsor me.
Okay, go for it. Nice, nice.
Here we go.
It's like silvery blue. Nice.
The hunt is
Is
over.
that the series?
And this concludes the shenanigans. Yeah, we had a meet. It was a lot of fun. Thanks for everyone who came. If you made it into this video, comment. Say, hey, sweet, I saw my car. Because, yeah, I've tried to film as much as I could, but I was also socializing a lot, so I didn't do as much as I could have, or as well as I could have. Every time I make these, I think of, oh, I should have done that, should have done that. So, always improving. But overall, a lot of fun. Great seeing everyone. A lot more modded cars this time, too, which is really cool. This is the second meet that we've done, and there will be more to come. So, yeah, if you like this video, and or if you like the pups, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't know what it's going to be, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. All right, thanks for watching. See you.